Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala habibi Muhammadin wa alayhi wa sallam. Students, first of all, you need to be focused. Keep looking at the book. Keep listening to me continuously. Okay? Don't let your mind divert anywhere else. Okay? It may not be thinking about something else. Please sit down. You're a good girl. Kind of sentences. Declarative, assertive, emphatic sentences. They are the names of same thing. There are three names. It means the same. Okay? If they show place, person, or thing. They describe a place, person, or thing. If a place is being discussed in the sentence, or thing is being discussed, a person is being discussed, it means it's a declarative sentence, or maybe it's an assertive sentence, or maybe it's an emphatic sentence. They are same. Okay. Next one is imperative sentences. Okay. Saleha, why are you looking elsewhere? Keep your eyes fixed onto the board. They show a command, a request, an entity, a suggestion. Okay? I have prepared an abbreviation. C for command, R for request, E for entity, S for suggestion, S for suggestion. So if you remember CRESS, if I say they express CRESS, C-R-E-S. Okay? Each letter is linked with a word. Okay? Next one is exclamatory sentences. They show surprise, they show joy, sorrow. They show joy, they show surprise, they show joy, they show sorrow, surprise. Okay? The word for joy is hurrah. Okay, there may be other words also. The word for sorrow is sorry, and alas, and etc. So on and so on. The word for surprise are used as how, really, what. Okay, such and such words are used for. And there is a sign of exclamation in the end of exclamatory sentences. Okay. And in the end of, you can say imperative sentence, there is also a sign up. You can say, accept command. Okay. In the end of, these sentences. Next one is optative sentences. They describe wishes. Like, may you live long, if only you had been present. Or if only you had been sitting in my class with the presence of mind. Okay? And next, they also show, there is another example. Had I been a rich man, okay? If only, or may I had been a rich man, or if I were a rich man, like this, Next one is identify the kind of sentence. The sun rises in the east. Which sentence it may be? Declarative. Okay, if it is a declarative sentence, which word shows that it is a declarative sentence? East. Speak one by one. Raise your hands. Yes. East. East is a place. Okay. That's the reason declarative sentence show place, person, or thing. That's the reason it's a declarative sentence. Should I write in brief like DC, DS? Yes. That it's not DS, declarative sentence. Okay. Or assertive sentence. It may be AS, it may be ES, emphatic sentence, assertive sentence, or making a noise.
Possessive voice.
Declarative voice. Person.
Voice, it shows person. So it's
Declarative.
declarative sentence. Sit down.
Optative.
Sit down. There might be a sign of exclamation. I think so.
Imperative sentence. Explanatory.
Sure, sir.
There is an order? Okay, hold on. We'll discuss it later. Okay? Sit down.
Optative. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence.
Okay. What is found? It's not a suggestion. Sit down. Order. Command. Command. I-S. Imperative sentence. There is a command in it. Sit down. Close the door. Shut the door. Okay. And you know, hidden you is there. There is hidden you. That is understood. Sit down means you sit down. Clear? Next one. Where do you live? Where do you live? Interrogative. I think it's so. Interrogative. It's quite understood. That's the reason I did not teach you. It's interrogative. Next one. Don't make a noise.
Imperative sentence.
Okay. Whether it's an order or request. Is it a request or order? Order. It's imperative sentence. It's interrogative sentence. Clear? What about the weather?
Exclamatory. Exclamatory.
Speak one by one. Raise your hands and then speak. Exclamatory sentence, well done. Because surprise is there. Exclamatory sentence. Because there is a surprise in it. May you live long.
Optative.
One, this one. Optative sentence. OS. Next one, work hard.
Imperative suggestion.
Imperative suggestion. It's IS. Please come here.
Imperative request.
Imperative sentence. Request is there. How beautiful the lotus is. Lotus is the name of flower. Flower.
Exclamatory.
Exclamatory. It should be
Exclamatory.
ES. Next one is stand up.
Imperative sentence.
Okay, imperative sentence. How horrible the sight was. Why?
Surprise.
Surprise is there. This is how we identify the sentences. Okay? And we identify the sentences through the sense found in them. Okay, even then if you have some question or queries in your mind, you may ask me offline only. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.